Hello and welcome to Piko Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we'll be showing individuals how to log in via the mobile application. So as you can see, I have my mobile application open right now. And on the top right-hand corner, it says log into Piko Cloud. So I'll click that. I'll put in my username, which is your email address. You put in your associated password, and then you click login. Once you click login, as you can see, it then loads all the associated systems that my particular login has accessibility to. Scroll up, scroll down. As you can see, I have access to all of them. Thank you for watching Piko Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Piko, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can visit us here at picovms.com for more documentation and download.